Morning, you guys. Morning for me. I guess it's 3 o'clock right now. Today, what I wanted to talk about, I've been going over energy a lot, and I want to tell you repetition is the mother of all learning. Okay? There's only one way to change your subconscious paradigms, and there's only two ways. One is through the impact of a very emotional event. Say you got really sick or somebody died in your family, something really big that really shocks you out of the hypnotic rhythm of daily life. And then the second one, the one that you can actually create yourself, is through repetition. So I know I'm talking about energy a lot, but that's just what I've been very focused on lately. And what I want to go over today is very simple. I'm all about giving you grounded advice on the power of your thought and your mindset. So I want to talk about how Napoleon Hill talks about power. He says power is organized effort. That's his whole definition. Power is essential for success, and power is organized effort. He tells you to organize it towards a definite chief aim and to use the power of a mastermind, multiple minds working in harmony towards this definite aim. That's the way to achieve success. Now, the reason I want to bring that up is thought is the greatest form of power. It's the highest form of vibration, according to Napoleon Hill. But thought scattered and dissipated is like the rays of a sun. You can shine a magnifying glass on one spot and burn that particular spot, or you can take away the magnifying glass and for a million years the sun will shine on it and nothing will burn. Thought is the strongest power. Thought focused on one definite chief aim over time will cause that result to manifest by drawing like thoughts to yourself and therefore drawing like situations, like people, and like opportunities and like actions to bring about the desired result. Remember again, power is organized energy. Thought is the highest form of energy directed towards a definite chief aim for concentrated power. That's today's lesson.